Every position in the social hierarchy comes with its own set of pros and cons. For instance, being an alpha means leading others and inspiring loyalty, which attracts followers who admire and respect you. Even gamma males have their strengths. They are often intelligent, reflective, and empathetic. But sigmas have unique advantages over other men. Despite not caring about social status, the sigma male possesses qualities that naturally propel him to the top of the social ladder. This keen perception allows them to form valuable connections that others might overlook. Additionally, their obsessive drive for mastery means they excel in whatever they are passionate about, often surpassing their peers. In this video, we will delve deeper into these unique qualities that give sigmas an edge in life. From their ability to navigate challenges independently to their relentless pursuit of excellence, sigmas stand out in a crowd. Here are 10 unfair advantages of the sigma male that set them apart and enable them to succeed where others might fail. I implore you to watch till the end for better understanding, and don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to the channel. Thank you. Let's get started. Number 1. Insults have no effect on sigmas. When someone insults you, their goal is to diminish your social standing by targeting your appearance, intelligence, personality, or something they know will hurt you. Their aim is to bring you down, make you feel ashamed, and damage your reputation. This tactic often works because a well-executed insult can deeply wound your self-esteem, especially in public. Just observe the average person. Give them a compliment, and their face lights up with approval-seeking joy. But insult them, and it hits them where it hurts, causing them to question their own worth. However, insults have no impact on a sigma. People might assume an insult affects him or that he's hiding his feelings, but that's not the case. Whether you approve or disapprove of him, the sigma genuinely doesn't care. He's indifferent to his own social status. This mentality gives him a significant advantage because powerful men attract a lot of criticism. Yet sigmas remain unfazed. They can handle it with ease, whereas most men would crumble under such pressure. Number 2. Sigmas are incredibly self-sufficient. Sign 2, controlling attitude. A toxic partner often seeks dominion over their significant other's life choices and actions, maneuvering situations to their advantage. This manipulation stifles personal growth and individual freedom. Key comp. They hate relying on others for anything. You can see this trait in all areas of their lives. At work, a sigma prefers to handle his tasks without being micromanaged. In his personal life, he doesn't depend on friends or family for emotional support, and he certainly doesn't expect the government to solve his problems. To thrive, a sigma uses his intelligence and skills to navigate his environment. Sigmas meticulously plan their lives to achieve self-sufficiency. They cut unnecessary expenses and adopt frugal habits to save money. Since a sigma doesn't need much to get by, he can easily save up enough to cover a few years of living expenses. This financial cushion puts him in a strong position. Most people are at a significant disadvantage because they're drowning in debt, paying for lifestyles they can't afford. If an emergency strikes, they risk losing everything, but sigmas are prepared and resilient. 1 of a healthy relationship. A healthy relationship allows for individual freedom and personal growth. Number 3. Sigmas live in a heightened state of awareness. Take a look around and notice how many people are glued to their phones or have their ears plugged with music. Nowadays, most folks are oblivious to what's happening around them. But sigmas are different. They're not paranoid or living in constant fear, but they do make a point to stay alert and aware of their surroundings. They consciously scan their environment for potential threats. Sigmas have a natural understanding of danger, similar to a police officer, bouncer, or even a seasoned criminal. They know that in a life or death situation, every second matters. This awareness keeps them vigilant and sharp. Being perceptive not only helps them stay safe, but also makes their minds more cunning. It enables them to spot patterns and opportunities that most people miss. This heightened awareness isn't just useful for staying safe. It benefits their social and professional lives as well. Being perceptive helps them understand the world better. In contrast, people who are constantly staring at their phones and blasting music are essentially walking through life like zombies, missing out on what's happening around them. Number 4. Sigmas are multifaceted individuals. They recognize that each sphere of life has its own unique beauty, and they excel in multiple domains. For instance, Sigmas value physical strength because, from their perspective, it's a superior way to navigate life. They also thrive in intellectual and abstract thinking, often dedicating significant time to studying and expanding their minds. Furthermore, Sigmas cherish their relationships with family and friends, enjoying their company and the connections they bring. At the same time, they equally treasure extended periods of solitude, often seeking out remote places deep in the woods or in the heart of nature. In essence, Sigmas have a wide range of interests and excel in many areas of life. Number 5. Sigmas are often bolder than most people. From a young age, they learn to take calculated risks because they're goal-oriented individuals. Setting goals naturally leads to encountering risky opportunities that present challenges but also offer potentially large payoffs. For instance, many Sigmas dislike the modern work environment, so they often choose to start their own businesses, become freelancers, or work as consultants. Branching out on your own carries significant risks. You could face bankruptcy or lose your life savings. However, Sigmas meticulously assess the risks and take calculated chances if they believe they can succeed. Their courage gives them an unfair advantage because taking risks, even if you fail, teaches valuable lessons and provides experience that makes success more achievable in the future. Most successful businessmen fail several times before achieving success. In contrast, some people always choose the safest option, while others take reckless risks that lead to disaster. Sigmas, as usual, navigate the middle path, guided by reason and logic. Number 6. Sigmas have a keen ability to spot potential in others. They possess strong intuitions and can sense authenticity versus deceit. They judge a person's potential by observing their actions, noticing subtle signs of good character such as self-control, work ethic, honesty, and intelligence. When a Sigma identifies potential in someone, even if others don't see it, they're willing to offer help and support. As a result, Sigmas often assist successful people during their early stages. Later on, these individuals remember the Sigma's generosity and support. These connections create an unfair advantage for Sigmas. Unlike most people who often judge based on physical appearance or superficial words, Sigmas focus on actions. They understand that actions reveal the truth about a person, not their appearance or what they say. This ability to spot potential where others might miss it allows Sigmas to form valuable relationships and collaborations. They see beyond the surface and recognize hidden talent and promise, which often leads to mutually beneficial partnerships and success stories. Number 7. Sigmas can be obsessive. Sigmas are known for their obsessive nature, and anyone familiar with a Sigma can attest to this trait. However, it's not a pathological obsession. Rather, it's a deep passion that drives them to lose themselves in a subject, thinking about it constantly. This intense focus is sometimes mistaken for perfectionism, but for Sigmas, it's all about the desire for mastery. When a Sigma loves something, he aims to master it completely. This drive makes Sigmas high achievers who are particularly hard on themselves when they make mistakes. Unlike most people who often do the bare minimum at work just to earn their paycheck, a Sigma, when passionate about his work, will go above and beyond. This effort isn't about impressing the boss, it's about his genuine obsession with his craft. Even during his leisure time, a Sigma is likely to continue improving his skills because for him, this doesn't even feel like work. This obsessive mentality gives Sigmas an unfair advantage. Their dedication means they often develop much higher skill levels than their rivals or co-workers. This relentless pursuit of excellence sets them apart, making them exceptionally successful in their endeavors. Number 8. Sigmas are popular with women. Sigmas are often popular with women, but it's not just about their athletic physique or bank account. While these factors can help, even unattractive or financially struggling Sigmas remain popular. This popularity stems from their character traits. Women are naturally drawn to strong masculine qualities like self-control, mental toughness, and courage. They admire men with a purpose and a strong sense of destiny. Many men are unaware of these secrets, thinking they need money or looks to attract women. However, you can be broke and out of shape and still attract women if you possess the right personality and a desire to improve. Women appreciate men who push themselves daily, stay fit, work on projects, launch side businesses, have adventures, and take risks. This kind of intensity and drive is hard to fake, and it gives Sigmas an unfair advantage. Women who are attracted to Sigmas love them for their character, not their looks or wealth. It's the Sigma's genuine passion, relentless pursuit of goals and courage that draw women in. This makes their relationships more meaningful, based on respect and admiration for who the Sigma truly is. Number 9. They know when someone has overstepped their boundaries. Sigmas have a keen sense of when someone has overstepped their boundaries. Do you remember how intensely sensitive empaths are? Sigmas can sense what others are feeling and are deeply affected when they see people being mistreated. If they can detect and react strongly to injustice towards others, imagine how much more they feel it when it's directed at themselves. Sigma empaths can quickly tell when they're being mistreated or when their rights are being violated. Once they recognize these injustices, they can't stay silent. It's rare for these individuals to be exploited because they possess a strong personality that refuses to accept unfair treatment. Sigmas are not the type to let things slide. They stand up for themselves confidently because they are fully aware of their rights and boundaries. Their strong sense of justice and self-respect makes it difficult for others to take advantage of them. Sigmas know how to assert themselves and make it clear when someone has crossed the line. This ability to recognize and respond to boundary violations ensures that they maintain control over their lives and interactions, protecting their well-being and integrity. Number 10. Sigmas are experts at manipulating appearances. They have a cynical view of human nature, recognizing that most people are shallow and judgmental. In social situations, people often focus on trivial things like appearance and social status, ignoring important aspects like moral character. This superficial judgment makes people easy to manipulate. By dressing well, maintaining a clean haircut, and speaking with charisma, one can easily influence others. Sigmas, however, are not easily manipulated because they see beyond appearances and focus on the depth of a person's character. They know that actions speak louder than words, as people often lie. This insight gives Sigmas an unfair advantage. They understand how to play the social game to their benefit. By dressing and speaking in a certain way, Sigmas create a chain reaction that leads to opportunities and social connections. Conversely, neglecting appearances often results in being overlooked by others. This understanding allows Sigmas to navigate social dynamics effectively. Whether or not you identify as a Sigma, it's crucial to identify and develop your strengths. Every man needs a unique combination of skills and traits that set him apart and provide his own unfair advantage in life. As we wrap up, the Sigma male's unique traits give him significant advantages in various aspects of life. His self-sufficiency, heightened awareness, ability to spot potential, and obsessive drive for mastery set him apart from the average person. These qualities allow him to navigate challenges, seize opportunities, and achieve success in ways others can't. While these advantages might seem unfair, they are the result of deliberate choices and relentless self-improvement. The Sigma male doesn't rely on societal norms or external validation. Instead, he carves his own path, driven by an unyielding desire to excel. In a world where mediocrity is the norm, the Sigma male's extraordinary qualities make him a force to be reckoned with. Join the conversation by sharing your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on Sigma male and their unique personalities. Let's build a community of understanding and empowerment together. Thanks for watching.